How to change an order on Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the orders. First of all, open the application. Now, first you must go to your cart in order to change the orders. So here on the bottom, we can see this cart button. Tap on cart. So these are the orders that you have done. Now, in order to change or delete them, here you can see a small delete button in each items. So tap on this delete button. So you can delete the ones that you don't want. Now again, tap on this home button and select the orders or the items that you want to add in. So tap on the one that you like, and here on the bottom you can see this add now button. Tap on add now. Again, tap on add now, and now it's added to your cart. So if you go to your cart, this item has been replaced or new item has been added. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.